Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix ignition problems on a Ford Escape full guide. Start by removing the key and turning the wheel gently to free a stuck lock cylinder, then inspect the key for bending or excessive wear. Next, check battery voltage and clean terminals, and visually examine wiring harnesses under the dash. Use gentle probing techniques and a basic multimeter to identify faults without causing more damage. Begin diagnostics by connecting a digital multimeter to battery terminals and measure resting and cranking voltage, noting any drop below 10 volts during start. Plug in an OBD2 scanner and record any ignition or accessory-related codes, then cross-reference symptoms. Inspect fuses and relays in the power distribution box and use continuity checks on suspected switch circuits. Take notes on intermittent behavior for targeted repairs or replacement parts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car guides and repairs. Quick recommendation: I keep a book nearby that changed my view on money and long-term planning, and it pairs oddly well with fixing things yourself as a frugal skill. Look for that book and other deals in the description. Consider supporting the channel if you like the tip. Now let's get back to the video. Start repairs by addressing the simplest items first. Cut a new key or clean the existing keyway, then secure all battery and ground connections. If the lock cylinder binds, remove it following safe procedures and inspect tumblers for wear, rekey or replace as needed. For electrical failures, replace the ignition switch assembly and test all circuits afterward. Reassemble carefully and perform a full start and accessory test to confirm the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.